Alright, unit test of unit number 6. Find the component form of vector u. Just find, so 8 cosine 250 degrees, that's the x component, and the y component 8 is 8 sine 250 degrees, and this is derived from the unit circle definition. And I get negative 2.7, approximately negative 2.74 for the x component, and approximately negative 0.46470 for the y component. Wait, did I do something? Oh my god, I entered 5 for some reason. In the calculator, I entered 5 sine 2. Wow. I entered, I don't know what went through my head, but I entered 5 sine 250 for the y component. Negative 7.52. Such a careless mistake. Okay, so this asking for the magnitude, the combined strength. So I'll construct a parallelogram here. Wait, I don't even have to construct the parallelogram here, right? Wait, no, I do, because it's like the vector is here, so put 3.5 here, and this will have to be 100 degrees by the parallelogram definition, and the law of cosines is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of theta. So get rid of this, and it's just this. So I'll just enter it directly in the calculator to save time. So a squared 3.5 square root of 3.5 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 3.5 times 6 cosine of 100 degrees is about 7.45. Two component forms. Draw the. Okay, so. Oh, subtraction. This is subtraction. So automatically, one point has to be in origin. And the other points have to be at the component forms of those two vectors. So negative 4, negative 1, negative 4, negative 1, and 1, 5. 1, 5. Okay, it looks like. Okay, so so when you subtract vector c minus vector d, so negative 4 minus 1, and negative 1 minus 5. You should get negative 5, negative 6, negative 5, negative 6, negative 5, negative 5, negative 6, with point negative 4, negative 4, negative 1, negative 5, negative 6, 4, negative 1, and 1, 5. And point at the origin too. And we already found the difference. It's negative 4. It's negative 5, negative 6. We just calculated that. Oh, what did I do this time? What did I do? So I have a point on negative 4, negative 1, and 1, 5. Right? Point on negative 5, negative 6. C minus D. Look at the hints here. Oh my. Oh yeah. I have to negate the D. Negative 1, negative 5. It belongs here. Negative 1, negative 5. I forgot about that. the magnitude and direction angle. Okay, 6 cosine 160 degrees. That's disappointing. Plus 4 cosine 290 degrees for the x component, and 6 sine 160 degrees plus 4 sine 290 degrees for just the component form. 6 cosine 160 plus 4 cosine 290, get approximately negative 4.27, and 6 sine 160 plus 4 sine 290, get approximately negative 1.7. And the magnitude, you square both of them, so I'll do that right now. Negative 4.27 squared, take the square root of everything. You get approximately 4.60. 4.60. And then for the direction angle, you just do inverse tangent of the y component over the x component, and I have that in the calculator. So inverse tangent of negative 1.7066 over negative 4.27. It's approximately 21.78. And from the x and y components, it looks like it's in the third quadrant. So I have to add 180 to what I just got. So it's 201.79. 201.79. Find the direction. So it's just inverse tangent 10 over 7. Inverse tangent 10 over 7, just 55. And you have to add 180 because both the x component and y component are negative, so it's in the third quadrant, so it's 235.01. Teams A and B are playing a game of tug of war. The forces, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this just representing the magnitudes of both. So the magnitude of B is just 2 times strong, right? Playing a game of tug of war. The forces in which they pull a rope twice as far. Nope, not this. Has twice as many people. The forces, talking about the forces here. So it should be, Team A. Yeah, Team A pulls twice as strongly. Because talking about the magnitude here. Find the magnitude of, it's just Pythagorean theorem. This is 6, square that later. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 squared. 36 plus 16 is root 52. Root 52 is about approximately 7.21. I'll just put root 52 because it allows that. Was Aria's absolute speed? So this is asking for the magnitude. So I'll just put the x and y components of each one first. So Aria is so 5 kilometers per hour in the westward direction. That's negative 5, 0. 35 kilometers per hour in the northward direction. That's 0, 35. And 12 kilometers per hour in the eastward direction. That's 12, 0, and 0.7 for the northward direction. So I'll just add all the y components, and you get 7 for the x component, and then you add all the y components, you get 42, and you just find the magnitude of that by squaring both of them. So 7 squared is 49 plus 42 squared, that's 1,813. Take the square root of all of that. You get approximately 42.57. 42.58. 42.58. Now let me just make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, I don't think I'm missing anything. find a component form. 12 cosine of 20 degrees for the x component and 12 sine 20 degrees for the y component. Put this in the calculator. And you get 11.28 for that, and 4.10. Nice. It's very disappointing. I messed up on the easy ones. I'll post the retake